How I see TSMO in terms of winter operations is that we use a lot of different tools internally. One of those is the traveler information map. So that's probably our most important tool because it's outward facing to the traveling public. So we update that map as the storms enter the state. So if a winter storm enters the state, the roads start to change from clear to mostly clear to partly covered to covered. We take that operation very seriously. We want that map to be as accurate and timely as possible. We also have the digital message signs that are available to us so we can actively communicate with the traveling public. So if there's an incident or a crash, we can change the sign, the message on the sign instantaneously to say, hey, there's an incident ahead. There might be a 1 hour delay, and then people can adjust their travel plans. You know, we also do after actions where we look at after the fact, after the storm is gone, what could we have done better? How do we continuously improve? So we look at different strategies like plowing techniques, better communication between the central office EOC and the district EOCs, better communication with our partners at the patrol, at SEMA, the Weather Service. All those things make a difference when you're responding to a storm.
The National Weather Service is a federally funded agency, and what we do is we provide weather, water, climate, forecast, warning, and information to those partners that rely on that information to make important decisions. So before the event, what we're doing is obviously spending through the data, analyzing and trying to create those forecasts to best convey what's going to impact those who have to deal with those inclement weather situations. Behind the scenes, when it comes to those other entities or the government entities such as the Missouri Department of Transportation, we are constantly communicating with some of those traffic managers or other managers and decision makers within those agencies so that they have detailed information that is specific to those areas. And that's important because from one area to the next, that weather information is going to change. The timing, the amounts, the snow type, the precipitation type, all that. We are providing that information to those individuals so that they can properly prepare their staff, whether that's the people or the assets, to best be ahead of the situation.